Okay, got parked back there. Here at Hulett, Wyoming, at the Hulett Ham and Jam. And as you notice, I have different headgear today. I forgot my cap back at camp in my tent, my normal tent. Yeah, but this is what we're gonna have to deal with today. But we're just gonna be here at the Hulett for a little while, walk around a little bit, and then head over to Devil's Tower, where I'm gonna just probably just picnic at Devil's Tower this year. I'm not gonna walk around the tower this time, but anyway, let's see what it looks like. It parked right down there. There's a sign that free barbecues at Captain something. Ham and Jam. Well, I think I'm going to get in line for the heck of it. I've never actually eaten here, but it's free, so I think they've always been out by the time I've gotten here in the past, so. Here I had my free barbecue. Had barbecue, beans, and chips. There's the Hulett. That direction I came in, going to be leaving out that way to go towards Devil's Tower. Vehicle there. Takes trekking to the next level. Got two of them sitting there. Huh. Wow. The Devil's Tower, that's the direction I'll be going. There's the Belfoos River. Okay, just walked Hulett, and at that they didn't have any drink available when I had the free barbecue and the chips and beans. That's okay. I'm going to take a ride to Devil's Tower now, and that's where I'm going to have my picnic. It's not too far away from here, so that's the direction I came from. Man, it's parked way further. Man, look at that. Can't even see the end anymore, and more bikes coming in. Okay, I'm going to get ready to go to Devil's Tower. Okay, that's it for Hulett Ham and Jam, Hulett, Wyoming. Heading to Devil's Tower. See you there. Alright, here at Devil's Tower National Monument. Just finished up eating. Just sitting here at the picnic area just for a moment here, just relaxing, quiet. There's a peace and quiet right now. And let's take a... I was surprised at how many people were here when I got here, and how many, still people, a lot of people here now, but man, there's a lot here. But anyways, Devil's Tower is right through the trees there. Not going to go walk around it or anything. So you kind of see it from over here a little bit. Well, a tree's still in the way. Oh well, that'll have to do. Anyways, today basically what I was doing, what I'm doing is I'm doing riding footage for on the bike, and those videos will be upcoming later after I get home. So but today was just a quick video. That Hulett at the Ham and Jam, so at least we got that. And then of course picnic here. So anyways, just a quick video today. So anyways, that's gonna wrap up this video. It's a shorter one, but that's all right. But anyways, yeah, just thanks for watching this video, and stay tuned for the next one.